Honorable Prime Minister were personally monitoring some of the projects in the country, and I'm proud to make mention that International Airport at Mopa, Greenfield Airport at Mopa was one among those flagship projects. त्यामुळे ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक पंतप्रधान कितले महत्व दितात हाचो एक अंदाज येता. We expect that the actual work would start by the beginning of 2017. We have given additional compensation 3 times to the farmers whose lands were acquired. There are still some more farmers, अजून काही शेतकरी आसात जेंका टेक्निकल गोष्टींक लागून they could not put up their claim, and therefore to help these farmers the government has gone a step ahead. एक पाऊल फुडें वचून we are planning to appoint one retired deputy collector who will be placed at the government complex Pedne. He would be appointed on some remuneration, and he would help all such people who could not put up their legitimate claim.
And we hope it is going to do better, and by the time the construction of new Mopa airport is done, we'll have a good traffic to start.
Do you think that Goa can sustain 2 airports at the same time? Like I said last time?
Yeah, there are so many 2 airport systems in the world, but we'll have to actually wait and see. Because of the constraint which is there in Dabulim, certainly all the new traffic and new growth has to come on to Mopa, so certainly it will be there.
When you have
I think the economic benefits which the airport as a project is going to come up for throw up to the people themselves will be surprised. If you see Delhi airport, we have got a contribution to the state of GDP to almost 11%, and then Delhi airport also contributes to about 0.39% of the national GDP, and millions of jobs are created, direct, indirect and induced jobs.
लोक पयलींसान कन्विन्स आहा माझे कित्याक म्हाका खात्री आसा जे पर्यंत हांव आमदार आसा खंयचे परिस्थितीन हांव दाबोलीम विमान एअरपोर्ट आसा जो विमानतळ आसा ते केन्ना बंद जावपाक दिवपा ना. हांवें सांगलां रस्त्यार पयलो हांव येतलो फाल्यां बंद जाल्यार. हें पयलींसान सांगलां. आतां कितें आतां इलेक्शन लागीं पावलां ताका लागून थोडे इश्यू करपाक ट्राय करतले पूण लोक तेंचे मानून घेयना. कित्याक गोंय म्हणल्यार आमचें ल्हान एक बरी हायवे तरी आसा आनी ऑल्टरनेट मोड ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट आसा. स्काय रेल म्हण नाका, मोनो रेल म्हण नाका, रोखडे पावले 1-1.5 वरान खूंय कितें आसूं. आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा दोनी एअरपोर्ट चलतले म्हूण.
दुसरे वटेन वादग्रस्त मोपा विमानतळ प्रकल्पाची प्रधानमंत्री मोदीन बुन्याद घालची न्ही म्हूण GFDOन इशू लावन धरला.
तुय मोपा रावतेल्या लोकांन सुप्रीम कोर्टांत केस घातलेली आसा क्वेश्चनिंग द लिगॅलिटी ऑफ लँड एक्विजिशन. तर इतल्यो कोर्ट केसी आसतना इतली स्कॅमां आसतना कशें हें काम एअरपोर्टाक फावंडेशन घालपाक मुखार वचूंक जाता. आमी प्रायम मिनिस्टरा लागीं मागलां की हे सगळे स्कॅमांची बरी चवकशी केल्या उपरांत आनीक ज्यो कोर्ट केसीस चलतात त्यो कोर्ट केसींचो निकाल येसर आमच्या येदे व्हडल्या प्रायम मिनिस्टराक जो ऑफिस ताका आसा आनी ताची डिग्निटीक ह्या एअरपोर्टाक फावंडेशन घालपाक सोबना.
विमानतळ मोपा आनी बुनयादीचो फातर घालपाचो सुवाळो दोना पावला. सरकार कितें लिपोवंक सोदता काय म्हूण GFDOचो प्रश्न.
That inauguration is not going to take place there, but is going to take place in Dona Paula. So that is also a $1 million question that the people of Goa need an answer.
Is it that they want to hide something from the Prime Minister, the reality of the place?